Oh. Oh, hold on. What's good, haters, people? It's your boy D Rose, the king of New York City streets. About to do a bike check. Stop hating. Get your money up. Alright, people, at the moment, I'm riding the Fiend T-Marvel frame. Bronze color. It's kind of like a rawish, grayish, metal-looking type color, goldish. Fiend fork, Fiend handlebars. I have a profile stem. The best stem I ever ridden. I like this stem a lot. I have it's my 5th one. I have profile cranks, all gold. Profile sprocket, all gold. I got premium plastic pedals with silver bearings. I got a Mankind Army fatigue seat. Primo seat post. I have a Primo mix hub. Laced to Odyssey hazard light rim. A-tooth with a 25. That's how I ride. The front is a quadrant rim, which kind of sucks. Primo quadrant rim, I kind of broke it already. With a Mandero 2 hub. Brown spokes, pretty tight. I got Lino OG animal pegs. I got 2 animal tires. I have ODI grips. Shadow chain, which I really don't ride, but it's been lasting pretty long now. And a Primo headset. It's your boy Desmond Rose. This is my bike check. Hate me or love me. I bought this bike. $1,300. Get your money up.